It's Friday here at the Castellanos house. I got 2 kids in class, one still in bed. And Talino hasn't started kindergarten yet. So he's playing with Thomas, who knows how to crawl now.
Okay, let me show them. Thomas, look at it. Thomas, look. Where at? Go. Oh, you like where this one? I know you like going to this one. Because it makes noise. See?
This is Thomas Vance.
Yep, Thomas Vance.
Our new family member.
Our new family member.
To TNT. Toy and Family Outing Reviews.
Yep.
Thomas Vance.
You can buy my merch at Walmart.com. Once I find my toys at Walmart. Thomas, I got some. See? Oh, oh, oh! Whoa, that's cool. Whoa. You want to play? You playing right now? Whoa, whoa, Thomas. You are best boy ever. Oh, you got on me again. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay, I'll get you down. I'll get you down from there.
Wrestling with an 8-month-old baby already, Talino?
Yep. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Go get it. Go get it. Go. Oh, oh. Ooh. Go. Go get it. Go get this one. You got it. Oh. You want me? You can lay down right now. You can lay down. You know that. Okay, Tom. You got your stuffy. How do you feel like when you were regular stuff? You want my hand now. You don't want your stuffy. Okay, you want fun? You want fun? Oh.
Music maker. Say music maker.
You want your music maker?
It's from Vtech.
Hello, friends. Let's listen to some music.
He's like, nope. I want the learning resources cash register. He has to sit down.
Sit down what?
Sit down.
Hi, Tom. Ooh, ooh, not again. Here, you have songs. Your songs are
Give it to me.
with you.
Let's show everybody what kind of toy this is. See, it's the Play and Learn Puppy Tunes. You got the drum, piano,
Classical music.
What? Yeah.
and you got
Yes.
can turn it down right here.
What else did I press this one?
Yeah, and you hold it. If it rolls out of battery, you turn it like over there, like that. And then if it doesn't have internet, what?
I'm a puppy who likes to play and
Oh, you're on the floor. You're on the floor. You can't be on the floor, Mom said. You can only be on the blanket. Blanket. If you want to put it on the
classical music.
Let it go. Fine. You get a stuffy switch. You want this?
Okay. Turn it down. Turn it off. Hi.
Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Thomas. Okay, I'll say hi for him. Hi. No, look at him and then I say hi. Hi.
Do it again.
Hi.
All right, children. Say see you later, kids.
See you later, kids. Bye. This is our new channel.